Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut audio translation, one of the great features in CapCut. And I will show you on how to speak different languages in your video, or how you can dub in your video in different audio languages in CapCut without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video right here, let's quickly listen to the audio right here.
وسوف يمكنك أن ترى أنه بدأ في تسجيل يمكنك أن ترى هنا أنه بدأ في تسجيل الصوت هنا لذا يمكنك البدء في التحدث عن الفيديو مرارا وتكرارا ثم كل شيء سيكون
So this is me right here speaking an Arabic language, and let's listen to me speaking English language. So if I play the video now,
you can start talking, and it's going to, you can see it started recording you can see right here, it started recording the voice right here.
Just like so. So if I return back to the Arabic, and let's play it again. Then let's go back to English.
Now you can start talking.
You can see the first rhyme, the language is different. How can you achieve this in CapCut? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you separate or extract your audio file from the video, or better still, you can do it with the video clip. So with this example right here, I've already extracted the audio from the video clip right here. So next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you select the audio clip in the timeline. Swipe this way, continue to swipe until you get to audio translate right here. So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on audio translate. So having click on audio translate, it's going to take you to this interface right here. Next thing you want to do, so let's play the sound right here. You can see me speaking English right here. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on languages right here. So I want to translate to another language right here, so I can decide to translate into German right here. So I'm going to click on German right here. I want to speak German, or better still, I can decide to speak Hindi. I'm going to click on Hindi right here. I'm going to click on Hindi right here. Once you select your language right here, go ahead and hit on apply, and it's going to start to generate the audio and trying to convert it into your choosing translator audio. When you are done, it's going to be reflected in the video, just like what you have right here. So here I speak English. If I go back to here and I speak, and here I speak Arabic right here. It's that simple. But there are some credits that you use to generate all this. So if you want to generate more credits, you have to make sure you are using CapCut Pro. It's that simple. So let's go back to the video. So if I go back right here to the original, undo audio translator, let's play it back. It's that simple. You can export the video in a separate way. So I can decide to export the first English translator, and at the same time I can export the Arabic translator in a separate file. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.